Hi, welcome back. This is Raghavendra RV on behalf of 1225002. I will be discussing the various types of Java classes available as part of object-oriented programming with Java. Previous to this, we had two video sessions. Exactly speaking, in fact, three. One by Professor Vijay Kumar and two from my end. And out of two, what I have discussed, one for Java installation and configuration, the other one, the basic Java class creation and instantiation with constructors. Our third one video, we are going to start with the types of the Java classes available. Number one comes with an abstract class. What exactly is the abstract class? Abstract class is a feature which provides as object-oriented concepts data abstraction to hide the implementation details from the user. This means user knows what object does, but not how it does. That means the method performs some task, but the user is completely not aware the business logic of that particular process, but the behavior of that process. Coming to this abstract class part, the abstract class must be declared with a keyword called abstract, and if a class declared by using the keyword called abstract is known as abstract class. In point number 2, here we are talking about abstract class may or may not contain abstract methods. That is, methods without body. But if a class have at least one abstract method, then the class must be declared as an abstract. The other one, the abstract class cannot be instantiated. If the developer wants to use this, he needs to inherit the abstract class from other class. And the developer need to implement all abstract class method of inherited abstract class. These are all the properties of an abstract class. The total out of 4 slides, the takeaway from these are a class must be declared with an keyword called abstract, that will be called as an abstract class. And abstract class methods, if any one method is defined as an abstract method, the entire class will be treated as an abstract class. Now this is one example related to this abstract class, and this is the corresponding output for that. Here what we are talking. Now here we will see, as our traditional way from past 2 presentations, how I am doing it. I am taking this code and going back to my text pad, and I am pasting here. I will do all necessary changes before we'll run this program. These are the changes we are done. Now here you can see, here I am defining an abstract class with a keyword called abstract, with the name called two-wheeler, and I am defining a method, abstract method void ride, without any implementation, nothing but behavior not defined. Now it is the responsibility of the developer who inherit that class must define the behavior of that method. Now here I took a class hero is extending the two-wheeler class. Here you can see he is inheriting this. Number 1. Number 2. Here I have another class called Maruti is also extending the same class, abstract class called two-wheeler, with the corresponding statements. Now when I come back to this main class, here I am defining nothing but instantiating 2 classes with the help of this abstract class, and I am invoking the methods, one with related to hero and the other one with related to this Maruti. Now we'll see, just I'll compile this. It's working. 2. Here you can see, number 1, it's Hero Desh Ki Dhadkan, and it's Maruti in India. this is the way how exactly the abstract class need to be defined, and to define abstract methods, how to make use of these classes as part of abstract. Okay. Now we'll move back to this. Now we'll add a bit more complexity for this. There is Java provides yet another type of class called as an interface, which is similar to the class, which is a collection of abstract methods. A class implements an interface, thereby inheriting the abstract methods of an interface. An interface contains behavior that a class implements, but no concrete methods has been defined out of these methods. All methods of the interface need to be defined in the class. This is a criteria here we have related to this particular part. Now we'll see how exactly an interface look like. Here you see I am defined an interface called IITB, at another interface called FDP. Now I am implementing these two interfaces as part of my class called workshop. That means the method called void course, part of IITB, the method called void duration, which is part of FDP, are coming into my class called workshop, and those two are serving my purpose. Let's see how it is. Now here I am taking this and we are moving here to make use of this. Okay. Now have a look on this. Here we had two interfaces and I have a class and I am implemented here. Like public void course, I am picking up from interface called IITB, where I am mentioning use of ICT in education for online and blended learning, and public void duration A picked up from FDP, which is in 4-week duration. Okay. Now we'll just see that. Oh yeah, saving. Yeah, done compiling. See this use of ICT, nothing but the functionality of IITB, nothing but interface 1, interface 2 are implemented in this, and we are able to define the functionality for all those two methods, which are all part of two different interfaces. This is the magic of interface, and interfaces provides the flexibility in Java where we can implement multiple inheritance concept. As part of basic Java programming is concerned, it won't support multiple inheritance concept because A can extend B, but A cannot extend B comma C. That particular flexibility is not existing here, but that has been overcome by implementing more than one interface as part of defining a particular class like this here. Okay. Now before we are coming out of this video, I would like to give brief information about the core differences between abstract class and interface. Okay. Now the abstract class here, all methods of an interface are abstract methods. Some methods of a class, abstract class, are abstract methods. Abstract class can have fields, but an interface can only define constants. Nothing but those cannot be altered. These are all two important differences between these two. As I promised, the hands-on, we are already gone through with that hands-on session. And with this, I conclude this session on abstract classes and interface. And I'll catch you with a new and interesting topic once again. Thanks for watching video. Bye.